is JSON? JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is the standard data format we use to exchange data between the front end and back end in Angular applications. In Angular, most APIs return data in JSON format. We use Angular HTTP client to make API calls, and the response is automatically passed into a JavaScript object from JSON. For example, when we call this.http.get method, it returns an observable of the passed JSON response. In one project, we had a dynamic form builder that consumed JSON schema from the backend to render form fields dynamically. So JSON played a key role beyond just data exchange. I am also comfortable working with JSON.stringify and JSON.parse when we need to store or retrieve structured data from local storage or session storage.